Hi, I'm Mario, and this is how our stretcher adapter works. I just attach it to a stretcher and I put some downward pressure on it. And I want you to watch here as I put the force on the tool, it goes across. And these are just anchors holding it in position why I make my stretch. Pay attention to this point here and this point here. I'm going to go ahead and put down on the handle, and as you notice, I'm getting considerable carpet in the front and that it's moving this way. And that's how the tool works. And these are just simply anchors to hold onto carpet while you get the forward stretch, and it goes across. That's how it works, and thank you.